In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record vertical screen on OBS. So you can see I have already opened. This is a horizontal, but I want to record this vertical. So I need to going on this setting, then going to a video. Then this is the base canvas 92 into 1080. That means 16:9 ratio. So I need to change it to